Rightio guys, welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So we're gonna start this one right here. As you can see, prep work, masking, well, most of it anyway, is all done. We are about to mask just the guards off so that we don't get too much overspray where I don't want it on those guards. I want to keep those blends as tight as possible. That'd be right. So yeah, of course the front bumper's been primed already. I've got some wet on wet primer on that. That'd be right. Run out of masking tape. Nearly caught it. So this one here, it's a three stage. It's not a candy, it's like a fake candy. I actually quite like this color. I think I don't know, maybe it's just me because I've painted that Soul Red Crystal one too many times, but I actually think this color is better than that Soul Red Crystal. It just seems a nice, deeper, sort of richer red. But the funny thing is that is a candy, but this one isn't. But I think this one looks better. This has got like some sort of diluted solid color in it. Yeah, so I can't remember. It's like double 4-1. A couple of those tinters in the fake candy stage. So I'm going to be using the one visit for the ground coat, and then rightio guys, welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So today we're going to be doing the paint work on this. I reckon we'll just probably focus on the base coat on this one for this video, and then we'll probably do like a separate clear video. So this one here is basically a big fix up on lots of stone chips on the bumper and bonnet, and a blend on the guards. Like there was a couple of stone chips which I did fix on the guards, but yeah, it's mainly here to do the bonnet and guards. But yeah, I'm just covering up those guards so we don't get the ground coat color, because this is a 3-stage. It's not a real candy, it's like a fake candy. And yeah, anyway. I've got the boost set to 25 degrees. Coverage is not the best. You can see there's a few spots, but we should pick that up in the second coat. So yeah, like previously, I'd be like rushing and smashing that on as heavy as I can. But what I've realized is that it's actually not the end of the world with the PPG one visit if it does just start drying a little bit. And I've actually nearly found that you kind of actually want it to. So yeah, previously I was using slow, like the slow additive. But now, like you can see, just that edge is just starting to dry off a bit. That's about my go trigger, you know, for the next coat. So I want to leave that first coat just for a minor, like just for a minute or two, and then I'll put that second coat down. Leave it at the same pressure, like around 2 bar, both coats. This is another thing my friend was telling me about, my friend from Perth. He said, give them a drop coat. Give them a drop coat. I think this could be a winner, man. I like it. Now, what we want to do straight away, unmask these and do our blends. Keep that color small now because we're not trying to paint the whole bonnet, so we don't have any overspray there, and we're just low pressure. And still even have to be careful with that. So you don't get your base coat too far. Yeah, that's still a different color. That's it. Pressure back up.
Alright, continuing on. So it hasn't been that long. Like, I actually find this one visit to dry pretty damn fast, especially now that I'm using the standard more often than the slow, which I was previously. As I said before, I think I was maybe approaching the PPG a little bit too much like Stando Blue, but never mind. I'm just glad that I've sort of come up, or you know, thought of some different ways to spray it. Look at how nice that dries down, like silky smooth, ultra clean. Like, love it. Like, there's no mottle in it. It's better than their standard 3-coat, right? Definitely. You can just see how smooth it is, man. Like, you won't get any profiling from that.
There's your Basecoat blender. Cool color, I like it.
Let's go for that second coat. Now, when I was doing the color matching, 2 coats was the sweet spot with this. So it does look a little bit mottly. So what I was thinking of doing is going with our second coat. We can go front to back instead of side to side.
That's looking better. Lots better. But I reckon we give it one double header. We'll give it like a halfer. And that'll have to do it. That's us. Done. So, I'll probably just give that 10 minutes or maybe even a couple minutes, and then I might even bake it just because I've got so many layers of base coat on there. Yeah, 3 coats of that sort of fake candy, 1 coat of wet on the bumper, and your 1 visit underneath. So, yeah, Gunman Edition GTI Pro did well, man. I'm happy with that. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully you learned something. Yeah, man, all in all, that looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. It blended out nice. It will, hopefully, like dry down even better than that, because obviously that's still wet. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one, guys. Until next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out.